2-story, modern built, brand new home on the market right now. Connect with me down below if you are a fan of Miami Shores and you would love to live in Miami Shores. This home is really beautiful, nicely done. Finishes are spectacular, clean line, modern, newly built, and it's ready to go. You could just move in.
So this is a property in Miami Shore. Miami Shore has been the zip code for, a lot of accomplished people. This property is brand new, no construction. It is on the market for $2.1 million. Comes with a 1-car garage, and you have ample of high ceiling. So when you walk up to the property, one of the things you're going to see is this nice aluminum gate, and you have a nice long corridors lined with trees and so on and so forth. The house does come with its own security system. So let's go in. So this is what greets you when you walk in. This is the agent. So when you walk in, you have your nice living area, and then here comes the part that sells the house, your kitchen. So you have, I would say this is not marble, this is definitely Korean. Floor to ceiling. The built-in fridge. And the amazing thing, at that price point, which is a bargain, the house comes with its own wine rack. And then another selling point is the outdoor space. Outdoor space is very clean. You have your AC zone right here. And it comes with a great backyard space. Like I said, I just like the way they have the fence lined up with those nice shrubbery. And that's the view you get from the back of the house. Again, here's your other aluminum fence. And then you have a pergola here. So like I said, you have a camera system. With a pergola like this, if you really wanted to shade this from the element, you could add either a cell under there, or you could just put roofing on top of it. So that way, when you're standing right here, it will literally shade you from rain and so on and so forth. And even in your backyard, it's a nice view too. You're looking at this nice, vintage home in your backyard, which is good. So this is 4-bedroom. There's 1 bedroom on the lower floor, which I'm gonna show you, the 1 bedroom, and then the others are upstairs. So again, this is your garage, 1-car garage. It has the egress door right here, and your laundry, which is a nice touch. Your laundry and also your water heater is situated here. And the reason for that is if you ever have a leak, most likely these appliances will, start leaking at some point. So when that happens, it's not gonna flood the whole house. As a matter of fact, if you look at the water heater, there's this pen. This pen has a sensor in it. It will shut off the water heater if it detects any leak, which is, again, great touch to the house that gives you peace of mind. On the first floor, you have a full bathroom. And the stone idea is repeated in the bathroom from the kitchen. And this is 1 bedroom. So literally, if you don't have a lot of children, or you could use this as your office space. So that way, somebody comes in, you could sit here and conduct business. That's what I would do, is to turn this into either an office or a gym. And the height of the ceiling here is very amazing. It's at least, I would say, over 20 feet. Hello. You don't say hello to? Okay, she's saying hello to you. So I am assuming, I don't know what kind of wood this is, but if I were to guess, I would probably say maybe maple wood. I'm not sure. But nonetheless, It's really nice, very warm to the touch. So as you go upstairs, the first thing to your left is this bedroom right here that overlooks the street. And it even comes with a mini balcony. You could come out here and gaze in your neighbors. So that's a nice touch. So here, that's where you would put the kid you really love. The one that doesn't give you problem, give her that room. So it's a great closet space, you know. And then obviously, this bathroom will be shared with both bedroom. And then here, it's a different stone. They didn't carry that same stone idea. And as we walk to the house, you'll see all the fixtures are very black, which really make them pronounced against the white background. And the same idea is repeated in the doors. And look at the hinge. So in case you don't realize, in construction, hinges like that, they're hidden. It allows the door to open a certain way or be recessed a certain way without having anything protruding. This is really an amazing touch. And then here you have your other bedroom. Now, as you guys know, modern windows are black, so they went with that idea. So this room is probably 12 by 12. And then the recess, you have recess lighting here. And these are your vents. And then we'll proceed to the master. So this could be your seating area. You could put a TV right here and turn this into a family room. You know, it's at least, I don't know, I would say 12 by 10 or even bigger. But this literally, you know, you'll have your couch facing this way. And now here's the other thing in this master bedroom. You see the ceiling treatment? So you have plenty of light. So from the master bedroom, you have a view of your backyard. This is a good 2 in this room. I would say it's at least 20 by 20 or even bigger. Don't hold me to those measurements. I'm just guessing. And then of course, the pièce de résistance is your bathroom. So as you walk in, this is what are you greeted. And again, the same treatment. Standing shower combination with a tub. With a tub. Your wife could be showering here while you're tubbing, or she could be tubbing and you're showering, or you could both be showering and then both tub. You could do a hot shower and then jump into, put some ice in there like the European do it, and get a cold shower after your hot shower. Again, this is the drain, really nice and sleek. Recess lighting, bidet. So this is a closet space. So this will be his. Obviously, this is slightly smaller than the other one. And then right here will be her closet. Of course, why not? She gets all the space, and you have your security system right here from your bedroom where you could monitor the whole house. So this is the house in a nutshell. It's on the market for 2.1. Let me know if you are interested. If you are interested, I could come back here and do another tour, or we could put an offer. Thank you.